Okay, so we are here inside a Model X. Huge thank you to all our referral users because you guys actually made this possible for us to get. We actually have this car for 1 week. This was one of the referral prizes that we were able to get. So we have a lot of fun videos coming with this car. And maybe this is gonna convince us to buy a Model X. I don't know. If there's anything you guys want to see on Model X, put it down below. We'll be going through the comments. We have this thing for a week, so if there's a video or something you guys want us to talk about, put it down there and we will go ahead and do that for you guys. Okay, so we wanted to go over some things that Model X has that none of the others do and vice versa. So we're gonna do that. So first thing first, Model X key fob is slightly bigger than the Model S or even the Model 3 key fob, but it does allow for auto entry and closure. In addition to the auto front door, you have Falcon Wing doors on Model X, and those also can be controlled via the remote. So the Model X actually has 12-volt access in the rear. None of the other models have that.
It can be configured with seating for 5, 6, or 7 passengers.
So this is the 6-seater.
In a 5-seat Model X, there's one air conditioner which handles both the front and rear seats. In a 6 or 7-seat Model X, there's a second air conditioner to help with the ventilation in the rear seats.
Model X actually has door pockets in the front doors. Model S does not, but Model 3 does.
Yes. The Model X has this amazing panoramic windshield which feels like you're in a helicopter.
And a very interesting system for the sun visors. While all 3 Tesla models currently have a frunk, the X, I would say, has one of the largest.
While the Model S and the Model 3 have 2 USB ports for the front passengers, 2 USB ports for the rear passengers, the Model X also has a 5th USB port for the 3rd row. On the Model X, on the quick control screen, it actually shows a display indicating how close you are to obstacles above and to the sides of the car.
On that note, Model X can also control the front 2 doors as well as the Falcon Wing doors just from the center screen.
The Model X key fob allows you to close all doors and trunk with just 3 quick presses. The Model X also has controls which allow you to adjust the seats from the center screen. And
allow for easy access to the 3rd row, especially if you have the 7-seat option. So Model S and X are the only cars available with air suspension.
Model X has rear fog lights.
Model X is the only Tesla you can order with a tow hitch from the factory.
The Model 3 doesn't have ventilated seats as an option, whereas they are available on the Model S and Model X.
Model X and Model 3 are the only 2 Teslas with the windshield washer fluid sprayer built into the wipers.
The Model X has a cover for the rear trunk latch.
The Model 3 has 4 cup holders. The Model S has 6 cup holders.
And the 6 and 7 passenger Model X have 8 cup holders.
Model X and Model 3 have height adjustable seat belts. Model X and Model S have Alcantara all over the car, whereas Model 3 has a cloth material. We have all the keys. I kind of want to run around and see how fast I can unlock 5 Teslas. It's a little bit ridiculous. Okay, so that was just a couple quick things that we noticed right off the bat that are different between Model S, Model X, and Model 3. Let us know in the comment section below if we forgot any. We might have. We haven't had the X for that long. So yeah, definitely let us know. Huge thanks to Abstract Ocean for helping sponsor the channel. If you guys are looking to accessorize your Model S, X, or Model 3, feel free to use the link down below and use Tesla Inventory, all one word, at checkout and get 15% off your first order. A lot of cool things coming up. Definitely subscribe if you haven't. As always though, thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. Go and click here to subscribe, here for some more videos, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.